Namaste. Today we will do calm, firm morning yoga. Please sit in your mat in any meditative posture. Look up and stretch your neck. Look down, up, down, up, down. Look to the right side and behind, left side and behind, right, left, gentle neck rotation. Make it very smoothly and slowly. Opposite direction. Release. Make a fist with your hands and do a big round from your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. And release. Stretch your right hand up, stretch yourself. If you want, place your left hand on the mat, open your chest, look up, and stretch yourself more. If you want, you can bend your left hand, place it on the mat, and open your chest more. Gently release, change your hands. Left up, right on the mat. Open your chest. And if you want, bend your right hand. Gently release. Open your chest, look up. Around your back, look down. Open your chest, look up. Around your back, look down. Feel your back. Open your chest, look up. Be in your practice. Around your back, look down. Open your chest, look up. Around your back, look down. Open your chest, look up. Around your back, look down. Gently release. Now come to table posture. While inhaling, look up and arch your back. Exhale down, hunch your back. Inhale up, arch. Exhale down, hunch. Up, arch. Exhale down, hunch. Inhale up, arch. Exhale down, hunch. Up, down. Do rotation with your chest, one side very slowly, as much as you can. There is no competition in yoga. And opposite direction. Very slowly and smoothly. Now gently take your right hand, place it on the mat, lie down on the mat, take your left hand. You can keep it up straight or place it behind and feel a soft twist of your spine. Now gently come back and change left on the mat, right up or behind, and be there. Gently come back. We will do one more round, right on the mat, left up or behind. Release. Now left on the mat, right hand up or behind. And gently come back. Place your both hands forward, your hips down, open your chest and arch your back. Be there. Now gently come back, sit in your heels, stretch your legs, lengthening your spine and relax completely. Come back forward, open your chest, bring your hips down, look up. Come back, sit in your heels, lengthening your spine. Relax. Go forward, bring your hips down, open your chest, arch, look up. Come back, sit in your heels, stretch your hands, lengthening your spine, and relax there. Come back, open your chest, bring your hips down, look up. And go back, sit in your heels, lengthening your back, stretch your hands. Now gently come back, stretch your legs forward. And while inhaling, raise both your hands up, your back is straight. And while exhaling, fall forward completely. Look to your toes. You can grab your foot or you can grab your ankle and stretch your legs. You can be here, or if you want to go deeper, you can place your forehead on your knee and relax yourself completely. Now gently raise both your hands up and release your posture. Now sit in any meditative posture. Join your palms near your chest. We will chant Om one time together. Inhale. Om. Gently bow down towards your practice. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you tomorrow. Your Ksenia. Namaste.